Ever wondered if your knuckle-cracking habit is setting you up for arthritis? Let's crack open the truth. Despite the ominous warnings from well-meaning folks, studies have shown that habitual knuckle-cracking does not lead to arthritis. When you crack your knuckles, you're causing the bones of the joint to pull apart. This creates a gas bubble in the synovial fluid, leading to that familiar popping sound. While this habit might annoy those around you, it's generally harmless. So, next time someone scolds you for knuckle cracking, you can share this nugget of knowledge. For more quirky facts and myths debunked, subscribe to Trivia Tidbits. It's a cracking good time.